Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Maddie. Today I thought that I would do an empties video. This year for me has really been about trying to kind of clean up my life a little bit as far as like my junk and the things that I have. And especially with makeup, I've been trying to buy less makeup. I have been splurging on skincare, but like that's a whole other kind of thing, you know what I mean? So I've been trying to be very good about like using up my makeup. I'm doing a project pan right now. I'm very proud of myself. I think I've done pretty well so far. But part of the whole using up my things also comes with like having a lot of empty things. So I thought that I would do an empties video. I've done them before, but like way long ago. All of my old videos are private anyway, so. But I've got this big old bag here and I thought we could just get into it. So the first thing that I have here is the Chi Iron Guard thermal protection spray. I really like this. I've had this for a long time, but since I dyed my hair silver, I've been styling my hair more and more, so I've been using this more and more, obviously. I actually just finished this up this morning before I blow dried my hair, so it's officially done. I've been wondering when I was going to finish it, and today's the day. Right now I'm currently using the Way Memory Spray, and it smells incredible. Way's hair care smells like just beautiful, very floral, but like really light, really pretty. But I got thick ass hair, like she thickums, you know what I mean? So I feel like Way hair care, like their products, their sprays, like don't do anything for me because my hair's too thick to hold it. Or my hair's too thick for it to hold it. So yeah, I've finished this up. Gonna buy a new one pretty soon, as soon as I'm done with the Way one, which hopefully soon. I have a candle here. This is White Barn Bath and Body Works Endless Weekend scented candle. This one smells really good. I got it from I think like the $8 candle sale. I bought like 3 candles that day. This one was one of them. I really did like this, and now she's gone. Now I'm gonna cut out the wax and use it in my wax melter. I have another candle. This is the Mahogany and Teakwood High Intensity. Mahogany and Teakwood is my favorite Bath and Body Works scent of all time. I've had like 3 or 4 of their candles. I use the wall plugins, the wallflowers. Like Mahogany and Teakwood, that's my shit. And I have to buy a new one soon because I really like that candle. Next I have the Herbal Essences Set Me Up Hairspray. I don't think that the Herbal Essences still carries this. I bought this a while ago, and again, like I just didn't style my hair for a long time, and I used to straighten my hair a lot, so I never needed really like hairspray. But now that I curl my hair, I feel like I just like to hold the curls in a little bit more, so I've been using hairspray more and more. I couldn't find this in store because I've had this for so long that I don't think they carry this anymore. But I finally used it up, so. Next I have the Tresemme Dry Shampoo. This, I would go through like one of these in just a few weeks, which is so crazy. But this is for like fine oily hair, and that's why, because your girl got thick dry hair. So like this didn't do anything for me. I've gone through a few of these just because like I kept on buying it because it's really cheap, but like it just like didn't do anything for my hair. Like it would take so much dry shampoo to actually get my hair to not be greasy. So it smells nice. It did work, but like I had to use a lot of it. So I don't use this anymore. Currently I'm using 2 other dry shampoos. They're both the Not Your Mother's. Oh, I have one of them right here. I have Beach Babe Texturizing Dry Shampoo, and then I also have the Clean Freak one. With my hair, I just find that I need something that has like a better hold, and this one definitely does. I love that one, and that one smells like coconut. All the Not Your Mother's Beach Babe stuff smells amazing. I have another candle. This was also bought during the candle sale. This is the Cafe Bouquet Paris, which I think the name is like so dumb, but this one smells like coffee, and I'm really into it. It's espresso beans, white tuberose, and bergamot zest, and it just smells so good. Next I have the Skintimate Skin Therapy Lotionized Moisturizing Vitamin E Shave Gel. I use like Skintimate for shaving pretty much. I don't use anything else. It's just so inexpensive, and it just like works so well. But like I like did EOS for a while, but Oh my god, this group chat. I did the EOS one for a while, but it's more of a lotion, so I felt like it kept on getting caught in my razor. And then when I would like be halfway through the bottle, it doesn't have like the pump like this. It doesn't have like the this kind of pump. So I felt like I had to like cut the bottle open to really get the rest out. It just like wasn't really worth it. Ooh, this is making noise. I don't like that. Soft soap. Milk and golden honey. That shaving cream's still making noise. I'm using something from Walgreens right now. Ooh, an actual makeup product. This is the Korres Wild Rose Smoothie Brightening Priming Moisturizer. This is actually a hand-me-down from my friend Taylor, whose makeup I did. I will link that down below or somewhere. She works at Sephora. Some of the stuff that she didn't really like anymore, we like went through, she cleared out her makeup, and she gave me a bunch of stuff that she didn't like that I would like. This was one of them. I really liked this. I didn't use it for too long, just because like it was already like halfway gone, but it was really nice. It really did smooth out my face, and I felt very well hydrated. I don't know if I'd buy it again, just because like I also am using like the Smashbox Primerizer, and I feel like they made my skin feel different for sure, just because they have very different textures. But like, I mean, a primer is a primer is a primer is a primer. And when I'm done with this, I have a Too Faced Hangover Primer, which I'm going to use next. So like, it just kind of, I'm just cycling through what I already own. And even though I did like the way it made my skin feel, I didn't feel too much of a difference between like me using a primer and me not using a primer. Speaking of primer, this is the MAC Strobe Cream in Gold Light. This actually is more of a moisturizer than a primer, but I use it to prime and moisturize. My skin's been dry as thick lately, so I've been actually using either Complete Comfort Cream, or I have the Belief Moisturizing Balm. And so I'm kind of like switching between the two. When I stay at my boyfriend's house, I'll use the Belief one because I have a mini size, and this one's full size, which like when I have a bag full of other skincare things, this doesn't really fit. So I usually would just use this at night, but like my skin is dry right now. I've never been so dry, I think, in my life, and I know it's the cold weather and it's garbage. Next I have an Olaplex in number 3. This I started using before I went silver. However, I didn't use it a whole lot, but when I did start, going silver, then I started using this a lot. Right now I'm on my second bottle, and I do like it because I feel like it really does make a difference. Makes my hair feel a lot softer. Plus, when I use it with the 4 and 5 shampoo and conditioner, it just makes my hair feel so good, so much healthier. Next, I have a mini size. I have so many minis. Like I just have a tray full of little minis over here. I love getting minis because I love trying out new skincare, and right now I am searching for like my perfect skincare routine. So I've been cycling out, kind of using some of my skincare minis, and this was one of them. Again, I would use this at my boyfriend's house. At home I usually use the MAC Cleanse Off Oil Tranquil. It is being discontinued. So as soon as I'm done with that, I'm actually going to start buying this, the Pharmacy Green Clean Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm. This shit is awesome. It really did, like, get all of, like, the makeup off, all of, like, the mascara, lash glue. Next, I have another hair product. This is the Living Proof Perfect Hair Day Dry Shampoo. This was also a little gift from my friend Taylor. She does not use dry shampoo. She doesn't have to. I do. I liked the way this smelled. But I just felt like I had to go through so much of it to like really get my hair dry shampooed up. You might have seen this in my project pan. This is the MAC Fix Plus in the coconut scented. This is a mini that I got over the holidays. I put in my project pan because I usually will just use my full size and ignore my mini. However, I don't know where my full size is. Somewhere around here, not really sure. My like makeup area is an actual disaster right now. My makeup area is a little bit of a disaster zone right now, so I have to actually like clean it up in order to find my stuff, because like, where the fuck is my Fix Plus? Lavender Fix Plus, where'd you go? Next is another MAC product. This is the MAC Lightful Sea Coral Grass Softening Lotion Spray. I like MAC skincare. I really do. It's very simple. I need a little bit more of an advanced routine. So I'm kind of stepping away from MAC skincare. I think the two things I think that are always going to stay in my collection, probably Stroke Cream and Complete Comfort Cream, just because I love these so much. Like, these are like staples of my collection. But this I really did like. However, because I'm like switching up my routine, I don't really find use for this in my routine anymore. But it's a great product. It does help to hydrate the skin before makeup. But now I actually tone at night, so I don't really find a use for this anymore. Next, I have a whole MAC cream color base. This was Hush. I use this every damn day, and I am going through a second one now. I have a third one in the drawer. This is one of the few products where I can justify buying multiple because I power through this. Hush cream color base is my shit. I put it over top of powder highlighters usually to kind of like set them into the skin and really melt them in, and it just is the perfect color. It looks just like a natural, wet, dewy glow. I love this color, love this texture. Cream highlighters are usually never this soft, or it can be hard to find ones that are this soft. I love this. I went through a pair of 48 lashes. I feel like what happened was I wore these lashes a few times, and then they got stuck to the bottom of something, and then they got like fucked up. So RIP, I really need to get some more lashes because I have like 2 pairs, and that's just not enough for me because I wear lashes almost every day. Here's another pair of lashes. This is the House of Lashes Siren Lashes. These were really pretty. They had a nice kind of wing at the end, but it wasn't like a really crazy dramatic. It was a little bit reminiscent of like MAC 35 lashes, which I really love. But they had that more of a wing at the end instead of like just the dimension in the center. But this was like really beautiful. I really liked these. I feel like I didn't get as much use out of them as like a pair of MAC lashes, but these, I think when I bought this, it was like less than $10, so to me it was worth it. Oh, and I have another pair of lashes, MAC 35s, of course. I have another MAC product. I have one more in the bag too. This is the MAC Shape and Shade Brow Tint in the color Spiked. I got this for gratis when it first launched, and I love this. The pen on here is so wonderful. Again, I've had this like since like spring, I think. I've had this for a hot minute. I never use the powder on this. I only ever use the marker side, and now it's all like dried up. However, I switched to using something else. I betrayed MAC and I instead picked up the Urban Decay Brow Blade. This is in the color Taupe Trap. I hate that name, but it has a pencil instead of a powder and the pen. The pen side is the only side I use on this because I think the powder was not great. The thing about these pens is that the pens, like the pigment is very light, so I use Spiked even though I'm more of a lingering kind of gal, but the powder is really dark, so it would be like super duper dark eyebrows. Just not cute, didn't like it. However, these pens do have quite a bit more pigment, and it has a pencil on the other side, and like I like pencils, so I love the Urban Decay Brow Blade. That's going in my favorites this year for sure, or this month I should say. But I do love this product. If you are more of a MAC person than an Urban Decay person, or like the concept of a powder on the end, highly recommend this. I love the pens. I have MAC wipes. Next I have a mascara. This is the YSL The Shock Mascara. I got this during the Nordstrom anniversary sale. I got like a little like YSL gift set, and then I also got a free gift with it. I actually really like this mascara, but it's expensive as fuck. And I just like don't have that type of money to, you know, drop X amount on a mascara. It made my lashes look super duper beautiful. The wand reminded me a lot of the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, which I really loved. I love the way it made my lashes look, but it fell out all over my face, and this didn't do that. Honestly, like I'd forgotten that I had it. I'd stopped using it for a while. I forgot that I had it, and it's been in my little mascara jar since like August, so I really gotta toss this. She's a little dried up, obviously. Next, I have another product for my project pan. This is the Urban Decay eyeshadow in the color Height. I didn't use this up. it just broke, shattered everywhere, and it just was not worth it to clean it up. This eyeshadow was beautiful, but like it just wasn't worth the hassle. I have a ton of teals and I'm trying to get rid of this anyway, so I was like, oh, all right, cool. And then I have two more things that is technically one thing. This is the Belif Moisturizing Eye Balm. I had the full size, which I bought last year. Took me almost a year to complete. I love this so much. I have really dry, very sensitive eyelids. And this is one of the only things that actually hydrates my eyelids. I've never found any like bumps because of it. It's not too rich, but for me it's like rich enough because again, like your girl's got some dry eyelids. So I did buy another one. This is the, like this is a $48 eye cream and like it's expensive AF, but this is the only thing that works for me. It just is so, so good. And I just can't live with my irritated, crusty, dusty, dry ass eyelids. I need moisture. And then I also have a mini that I got from a Belif gift set over the summer. When I started my kind of like skincare journey, I got a Belif gift set. No, this was I think in the fall. This was during one of the VIB sales from Sephora. I got a Laneige gift set, and then I also got a Belif gift set. I love both brands. I think they're both K-Beauty. I really do like them both. I use the multi-cleanser from Belif for my skin. It's a cleanser. I love it so, so much. I am probably going to switch up my cleanser, just maybe to try something else out. However, I also really like the water sleeping mask. This is the lavender one. I have a mini one of the original. I love the lavender more just because I like the scent. Anyways, that kind of went on a tangent, but yeah, Belif Moisturizing Eye Balm. This is the shit. Like, even this lasted me a couple months, which is great, and like, it's just a tiny little thing, so I love these. And that, my friends, that is it. I am done. I hope you enjoyed looking at my empties, the products that I've used up. I think what I want to call this is what I used to call my other one. I called it Trash Talk, and I really like it because, like, I'm showing off my trash, so that's what I'm going to call it. That's what I'm going to call this little series. I'll probably be back in like a month or two. Again, I'm trying to use up a lot of my stuff, so I'm like really like using my things, and you'll be seeing them more and more in empties. So yeah, that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you again so much for watching. I will see you all in the next video. Goodbye.